Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to give access to Google Sheets to everyone. This is incredibly useful when you're working on collaborative projects and need to share your spreadsheet with multiple people quickly without having to add each email address individually. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the Google account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to share. This step is essential because you need the proper permissions to modify sharing settings. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. This is where all your Google applications and files are accessible. From here, simply click on the spreadsheet you want to share. It could be an existing file you've been working on or a new one you've just created. Either way, opening the specific spreadsheet is necessary before you can adjust any sharing settings. Once your spreadsheet is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to controlling who can view and edit your document, making it a crucial feature for collaboration. A sharing settings window will now appear on your screen. Look for the section labeled General Access. By default, you'll notice it's set to restricted, which means only people you specifically invite can access the file. This is fine for private documents, but since we want to share this with everyone, we need to change this setting. Click on the drop-down menu right beside Restricted. From the drop-down options, select Anyone with the link. This is a game changer because it means anyone who has the link can access your spreadsheet regardless of whether they're in your contacts or organization. You'll also notice another drop-down menu appears beside this option, giving you three choices: Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. These determine what level of access people will have. Viewer means they can only look at the sheet. Commenter allows them to add comments but not edit, and Editor gives them full control to make changes. For our purpose, click on Editor to give everyone full editing access. Now that you've set the appropriate permissions, it's time to share the link. Look for the Copy Link button and click it. This copies the shareable link to your clipboard, making it ready to send. You can now paste this link into an email, a chat message, or any platform where you want to distribute access to your Google Sheets. Everyone who receives this link will be able to open and edit the spreadsheet immediately. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Google Sheets to be accessible to everyone with the link, giving them the ability to collaborate in real time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.